Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video which is on check whether a given number is even or odd using recursion. So firstly we are going to create a function whose name is even using def keyword. Here we are passing a parameter number. Now we are going to check the condition if the number is equals to 0. The function returns true because 0 is even. We are using recursive function, so this is the first base case to stop the recursion. Now in the elif condition we are using number is equals to 1. It returns false. If the number is 1, the function returns false because 1 is odd. This can be the second base condition to stop the recursion. Now in the else part, if the number is 0 or 1, the function calls itself. As in the recursive function we know that the function calls itself again and again. So if the number is neither 0 nor 1, the function calls itself with the value number minus 2. This reduces the number by 2 each time until it eventually reaches either 0, which is even, or 1, which is odd. In the next line, we are going to ask a user input which would find the number is even or odd. Now, we are going to print if the number is even, it will print the number is even, else it will print the number is odd. Now we can check it. Enter a number. I am entering 2. Hence, as everyone knows, 2 is even number. The number 2 is even. So, thanks for watching this video.